Hey there, it's Emily, environmental educator with New Jersey Audubon, and I am walking through my neighborhood today looking for mourning doves. So good places to look for mourning doves are perched up on top of telephone wires or down on the ground foraging for seeds. And I actually think I might see some in my neighbor's yard here. Let's go take a look. Feeding on some seed on the ground here that fell down from a bird feeder above are a few mourning doves. Mourning doves are peachy colored with a grayish back and black spots on the wings. They have a small round head and a long tail. They have pink legs and a thin black bill. Mourning doves can be found across the state of New Jersey and the U.S. and are a popular game bird. When they take flight, their wings make a whistling sound. Their song, often produced by a perched male, may be a sound you are familiar with. Let's take a listen. Thanks for birding with me today. I hope you learned a thing or two about mourning doves. Now go outside and see if you can find some in your own neighborhood.